my bird Destiny. He's a double yellow-headed Amazon. Very, very smart. This is a ball. I'm gonna ask him to fly and fetch. Destiny, we have some treats for him. I'm showing him the treat. And I'm throwing the ball